The WEN 3600 watt inverter generator provides clean energy, free of voltage spikes and drops, without all the noise of a regular generator. Produce up to 3,600 surge watts and 2,900 rated watts of power. Our 149 cubic centimeters engine operates at a modest 65 decibels at quarter load. The WEN 3600W inverter generator is also equipped with fuel shutoff. This feature turns off the flow of fuel, allowing for the generator to use up the remaining fuel from the carburetor before automatically shutting down. This helps fight the buildup and blockages caused by stagnant fuel inside of the carburetor, minimizing maintenance while prolonging the unit's lifespan. Designed to mirror a pure sine wave, this generator limits total harmonic distortion to under 0.3% at no load and under 1.2% at full load, making it safe to run laptops, cell phones, monitors, tablets, and other sensitive electronics. The lightweight 46-pound design makes for easy portability, while the ultra-efficient 1.6-gallon tank provides up to 5 hours of half-load run time. The fully packed panel comes equipped with two 3-prong 120V NEMA 5-20R receptacles, one 12V DC receptacle, one 120V TT30R RV receptacle, and two 5V USB ports. Maximize fuel economy by engaging the Eco Mode switch. This allows the generator's engine to automatically adjust its fuel consumption as items are plugged into and unplugged from the panel, preventing the unnecessary usage of gasoline. Low oil and low fuel automatic shutdown combine with the built-in overload protection and indicator lights to safeguard both your generator and your electronics from damage. Customer ratings by feature: easy to use, 4.8, 4.8, value for money, 4.7, 4.7, noise level, 4.5, 4.5, longevity, 4.5, 4.5.